know what vlog this is going in, but we just made it to downtown LA. We brought my R8 out here. Someone got a new car, I'll show you guys that. And my boy with the Aventador pulled up. This lineup looks tough, dude. Today we are doing a music video shoot. I don't know who the artist is, we'll find out right now, but they wanted some cool supercars, so we brought these to put in the video. This is like the perfect 3-car lineup right here, huh? A twin turbo R8, a Urus Perf wide body with all the carbon options, literally, look at that. And Aventador SV. God, bro, this shit is perfect. Look, weekend car, daily, and then, I don't know, the other weekend car. The Saturday and Sunday car, and then the daily. They even got the carbon roof? Ain't no way. This thing has every carbon option. All right, if you guys are wondering whose car this is actually Garrett's car. Where is he at? There he is. Bro, this shit's tough. I didn't know it had the roof. That's a crazy option, right? They don't all come with that. But yeah, Garrett just picked it up. He guessed he needed a daily. This is the most baller daily you can get. This color is sick, dude. I think it's wrapped, but they did the door jambs and everything. It literally looks like paint. Yeah, and it's a perf, guys. So like the perf Amantes come with all Alcantara everything. The headliner, the dash is all Alcantara. All this is Alcantara. Damn, this is nice. Jeweled by G. That's sick. Goals. I need this daily. Big old wheels. What are these, bro? These have to be like 24s or something, huh? It's about to be midnight and I'm starting the video. But I thought I'd vlog it. Why not? Tomorrow, I gotta wake up super early. I'm actually gonna take the F80 to bulletproof powder coating and we're gonna re-powder coat the wheels on the F80. I've seen a lot of people telling me I should just go all black, so I'm gonna try it out, see how the wheels look. I think it'll look a lot better. Maybe I'll fall in love with the F80 again and start driving it. But yeah, we're doing that tomorrow morning, but I thought I'd pick up the camera and film a little bit today. Why do I feel like we're in Japan now? Once that pulled up.
I like that the street's like empty right now.
Yeah. Bro, it looks like a ghost town. And a GT3 pulled up. Little drift car. Sheesh. I've always wanted one of these too. I need to just start collecting a bunch of little project cars. You know what, Adam LZ has like a ton of like JDM 240, stuff like that. I mean, you could get a bunch for the price of a supercar, imagine. Instead of getting another supercar, I should just get a bunch of little JDM cars on. I guess the music videos for this guy, you guys might know the song. That TikTok song. But I guess he's not here. V6 Mustang activities. We're doing the behind the scenes of the music video, I guess. I don't know. I just want to film this Aventador. That's the main thing. Man, 2 Lambos back to back. Woo! Yo, the Aventador sounds crazy in downtown LA. That should be just echoing all over the buildings. I can't believe Garrett bought this though. There's no way. I need to do what Garrett's doing. I need to sell some jewelry. I'm gonna change careers, bro. What's up? Andy Sue's got the big body Escalade. This is Jacob's dream car, by the way. So loud. Oh, it's the best sounding car. Oh, there's a cop. Look at it. Uh-oh. And there's a freaking Maybach and a GT3 RS. I swear LA is literally a GTA lobby, guys. Look at the cars that are here right now. We're in the hood with all these cars. I think this is that one I was in the other day, huh? It looks like it. If you guys watched the stream, I was in one of these. Low-key, pretty sick. Those are the ones you can just like bounce and do all the LARP videos. Also, this used to be the most expensive gas station. I think it still kind of is. Like, it's almost $7, guys. How ridiculous are these prices? It used to be $8 though. Like, there was at one point that it was 8 something. And everyone was making TikToks and stuff over here. I wanted to do one. I wanted to bring my R8 here and fill it up when it was $8 just for a video, but that would have been a very expensive TikTok video. But yeah, isn't that crazy, guys? $7 for gas? Comment down below where you guys live and how much gas is, because this is how I know I gotta move out of LA. I don't know, bro.
Should I domesticate him?
It's an alien, bro. Oh, shit! I knew it was gonna jump, bro. Oh, hell no. What kind of bug is that, guys? Comment down below what bug is that. I should jump that thing. You can hear the turbo in it. God, bro. That shit would never get old. Oh, we're about to hop on the freeway. This shit's gonna sound crazy. Bro, that shit sounds ridiculous. Oh my god. Bro, these fools are going crazy. I don't know. The portion of like ear piercing actually hurt. There's a cop right there. Bro, that shit was so loud. Bro, that was insane, bro. That Aventador sounds so good. Everyone's cars are so loud you can't even hear my R8. Like literally the R8 is way too quiet. I'm telling you, I'm very tempted to go back to NA, guys. When my car was NA with the Valtronic F1 exhaust, it was just as loud as both of these cars. But now my car is so quiet with the turbos. This thing is screaming. The Porsche just hurts, bro. Like I hate filming GT3s on the freeway. It hurts. I don't know, something about the Porsche like tone, it's like literally ear piercing. But yeah, that was insane. These guys were driving crazy, bro. He's literally barely touching on the gas too. That's why like 2K RPM. That's so funny. It's literally a flamethrower. The Maybach. Alright guys, it is the next day, next morning now. And today we are gonna say goodbye to the F80. Like I said, we are taking it to bulletproof powder coating once again, bro, 2 times this week. Last week he did my turbo kit on the R8 and the brake calipers, and today we're gonna drop it off so he can powder coat these wheels all black. I'm just gonna see how it looks. You can't go wrong with black wheels. I love black wheels personally. I know a lot of people think it's basic, but I think it's gonna look really good with the design of the wheels. So let's go right now, drop off the car. I forget I even own this thing. Look, my freaking Valtronic controller's dying. It doesn't even work. Come on. Like, imagine if there's a cop behind me, what am I gonna do? I gotta put new batteries or something in here. There you go. And it's out of gas. Bro, I swear I put gas in my cars every single day, bro. I'm at the gas station every day. Anyways, I am excited to change up the wheel color. I feel like I should start doing stuff to this car again, and I think I'll fall back in love with it. It's a freaking CS. Damn, I would regret selling it, huh, guys? Freaking cage, bro, dude. I love this car. I really got to show it more love. Also, I'm a little scared driving it right now because the tags are still expired on this car. I paid for them. I paid for the registration because in Cali you have to pay like every year for the registration, and it's taxed too, by the way. I just paid my R8 ones. You guys don't want to know how much I spent. I think it was like, but it was like $1,600 to renew the registration on the R8. Like, that is ridiculous, bro. $1,600. And this car, I forgot how much it was. I think it was like $400 or something like that. But I still don't get the tags in the mail to put on my plates until I smog it, because this car needs a smog. So we still got to do that too. But yeah, these tags are hella expired. But it's paid for, so hopefully if I get pulled over, I'll just tell the cop I paid for it. I'm just on the way to smog it or something. I don't know. We'll see when that time comes. You guys can't lie. Every single vlog I'm here at the gas station. Yo, but this car looks good. Honestly, I was driving right now and I saw my car like in the reflection. These wheels do look good with the silver and the chrome, but I really think the all black's gonna change up the whole vibe of the car. Can't go wrong with all black wheels. Damn it. Now I'm like contemplating on changing the wheel color. I don't even know if I want to change it, bro. The chrome actually does look kind of sick. Man, whatever. We could always go back. Alright, goodbye F80. Next time you guys see this car, the wheels will be all black. Usually I give you guys like a reveal and don't show you what I'm doing before. But yes, I am doing them all black. We'll see how they look. Gloss black lip, sand black face. Pretty much same colorway that I have on the R8, so it should look good. Again, huge shout out to Bulletproof Powder Coating. He powder coats all my wheels, my turbos on the R8, everything. This is the only spot you go to if you want to do powder coating. And look at this truck. I've seen a lot of people actually tell me that instead of getting a TRX, I should get one of these. There's actually a TRX over there, which is funny enough. TRX or this thing. I've never thought about getting a freaking two-door truck, but I know these are crazy. His is supercharged, so it's super fast. What the? You got some wheels in here? I'm about to take this from my R8. Well, they literally look like they was in my R8. Not gonna lie. Damn, big old intercooler. Yeah, that shit for sure not stock. You guys would rather see one of these than a TRX? Or not? I don't know, bro. I'm more into like this kind of stuff. Like, I know those are fast. You can make them fast. Probably a lot of content too. But I want to go off-roading. You can't really take that off-roading. And it's going satin black. I think they're wrapping it right now. Wow, bro. And you got a carbon hood? No way you could do this. Bro, that is sick. You guys already know, like when I get a TRX, I'm gonna do a bunch of stuff to it. I know you could do carbon fenders too. I did not know you could do a hood, so most likely I'm probably gonna do a carbon hood too. But imagine carbon hood, carbon fenders. You could do the whole rear fenders carbon too. I don't want to sound spoiled, but there's times when I'm walking downstairs to go leave somewhere, and I don't even want to drive my cars. I know that sounds crazy because anybody would want to drive an R8 or a Corvette 06 or an F80 CS, but sometimes you just want to drive something normal for once, guys. I don't have nothing normal. Like, if you really think about it, like, I have a twin turbo R8, which I'm terrified of anyone hitting it, scratching it. Like, it's my baby. The Corvette is cammed, it's loud, it smells like freaking fumes. The G80 has a crazy clutch in it and shifter now. It's like a full-on race car. It has a headlight delete, so you're scared of cops. Like, every car has something that's like, I'd rather not drive it. The F80 is way too low. I'm always worrying about breaking the lip on that car. It's way too freaking low. And yeah, I just need something normal. Something that I can just drive comfortably and don't have to worry about nothing. I think this is the perfect daily right here. Who drove over an hour to pick me up, guys. What's up, boss? How was your drive? Can you believe I used to live out here? What's wrong with me? This should be for the second channel, bro. What am I doing? We're doing the most random stuff right now.
What is wrong with you, bro? Put that shit away.
Mom's picking us up in the Raptor. All right, this is another possibility.
We're in Trevorstown from GTA.
He's trying to sell me on a Raptor right now. Over TRX. Bro, this shit's actually sick. Wow, you're gonna flip this shit, bro. Bro. But your truck's about to be hella dirty now.
I need to wash this shit. Wrap this shit. Wrap this shit. Look. I'll wrap this shit.
Look at these stockies, bro. They're just looking at you like, what's wrong with this guy?
Where's Shrek at? Take one home?
Put him in the bed.
Should we?
Put him in the bed, right?
Look at the small one. I'll get him right now. You down? Should we get him?
Oh, shoot.
We're gonna be gone by the time they pull up, bro.
Bye.
Gone like Vaughn.
Yo, man.
Stop, please, Juan, please. We're gonna flip it, bro, please.
Oh, shit at the back.
What if we get stuck, dude? Chris is all scared.
Fuck, bro, the R be crazy, Nick.
Let's go get it.
Give a little update. Where we at? What we doing?
I don't even know what to say, bro.
You got kidnapped. We in
Is this part of
Vegas.
the vlog?
Yeah, this is part of the vlog.
Look where we're at. We're at freaking Vegas at a casino, guys.
Hit a little
This
side
guy-
quiz.
And now I'm down $300 because of this guy too. They didn't make me. They kidnapped me, guys. I'm not kidding. Like, we got into Juan's Raptor. That's the last thing you just saw. And then Juan and Chris kidnapped me to Vegas. We came for 2 hours. About to go home again. I'm down $300, guys. I should have never gamed. I should never even gambled. Now I want to win it back.
You have to.
No.
Bro, like you told me.
I hate losing.
Like
Every
you've said
gamble is
it.
the most stupidest
No,
thing.
bro. You've said in the vlogs. It's get even or get even worse, Nick.
We'll get worse. Probably be home by like 3 a.m. And tomorrow we gotta wake up hella early for another vlog.
What are you doing?
There's something on my foot.
Oh, bro, you got tape on your shoe. What's going on with you, man?
I can't even lose money if I want me to.
You're up on there.
800.
Up 800? No way.
I came with 27. I have 18 plus 14 plus 300.
Go with your gut. Don't trust your gut. My gut's been wrong every time. All right. We didn't film it, obviously. They get mine. We tried to film, but Jacob got in trouble, guys. But we're trying to get content for you guys. But good news. We went down more. I was down like 400. And then he went back up.
He did a 500 spin.
Yeah, I should put
Either
500 on red and it worked.
Up 100 or down 900 and you hit it. Thanks to me.
So now we're up $100. We were negative 4.
I'm up like 1,500.
Yeah, he's on a.
I got the free grab. I got half the grab right now.
Also, Chris has been gambling with no ID because he forgot his ID at home. Who comes to
Where-
Vegas with no
where-
ID?
where?
At least I got $100. A little tank of gas real quick. I was gonna be sad, bro. Go home negative.
And you
400.
already said.
And I was about to go home 900 negative, but it works. It works.
That's right.
So did we leave or keep going?
I think another few hours.
Bro, Juan could be here all night, bro.
Well, I got free rooms here.
Should we just get one?
I'm down.
That's the girls' one.
You're driving. I'm not driving.
Bro, we're not gonna be home till.
You're driving. I'm not driving.
3, 4.
Because we got to go to my car.
Bro, it's 4 or 5 a.m.
What if Chris's car isn't there?
We were smoked out for this trip.
Yeah.
Like, I really wish I would have filmed more of it, guys. 'Cause
I
it was-
told you.
It was such a spontaneous trip, but
That was funny.
and it was pretty funny. But it was one of those spontaneous trips you just do.
Hey, but look at you're test driving a Raptor now.
Yeah, now I'm driving a Raptor though, which I've been trying to do. So it's a good test.
It's a really good
I'll drive it
test.
3 hours. The good thing that this car does have that the T-Rex I don't think has, it has like the freaking self-driving like the Teslas. I don't think the T-Rex has that.
Right.
It's such a different vibe though driving a truck. Like this shit huge, bro.
It is, huh?
I've never driven. You guys gotta understand. I've never driven big cars. Like only driven small little coupes and on the floor. This shit like a boat, bro. And it's horrible on gas. Barely went over half a tank. So this is like $200 to fill up. We're about to go home, and we're probably gonna be home at like 4. We're gonna wake up tomorrow and film a sick video. We're gonna drive an SDK. Wrapped it to SDK.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.